Welcome back to the checkout guide. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to create a 5% discount code up to 250 that can be used only 50 times in total and once per customer. So if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, I have used Next Discounts from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then go to your Shopify admin panel. Then go to Next Discounts app. Then click on create new discount and enter the discount title as save 5% and then click on automatic discount and click on percentage and enter the discount in percentage 5 and enter the capping amount as 250 and select discount applies to all products, and you can also enter the discount message. This message will be shown to the customer when they apply the discount. So I have entered this message. If you have any minimum purchase requirement, then you can select that and select all customers and limit number of times this discount can be used in total 50, and you can also limit to 1 use per customer. And if you want to set the start date and time and end date and time, then you can select it from here. And if you want to combine this discount with any another order discount, shopping discount, then you can select that. Then click on save button. Now go to discount section. So here you can see the discount has been activated. Now we will test this setup on our online store. Now I will add any product to the cart. For example, this one. So here you can see the discount has been added because it's automatic discount and the discount message is there, and the 5% of 5,000 is 250. So the capping amount has been correctly applied. Now I will add any another product to the cart that will gonna increase the capping amount. For example, I am adding this product to the cart and click on buy it now. So the 5% of 6,000 is 300, but you can see it doesn't exceed the capping amount. So that's it. You have successfully set up a 5% discount code up to 250 that can be used only 5 times in total and once per customer. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and happy selling.